In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted tickets in Zoho Desk. If you're using Zoho Desk to manage your customer support operations, you may occasionally find yourself needing to recover important information that has been accidentally deleted, such as tickets. Thankfully, Zoho Desk provides a straightforward way to access recently deleted tickets through its Recycle Bin feature. By following these simple steps, you can easily retrieve any deleted tickets you might need. First, let's start by navigating to Zoho Desk's Recycle Bin. For those who are not familiar, the Recycle Bin in Zoho Desk acts much like any other Recycle Bin feature you may have used in software, storing items that have been deleted for a temporary period before they're permanently removed. To find your way to the Recycle Bin, begin by heading over to the Setup area of Zoho Desk, which is identified by the gear icon usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this gear icon, and from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Data Administration. Here, you should see the Recycle Bin option. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you straight into the Recycle Bin, where all deleted items across various modules are stored. Now that you're in the Recycle Bin, the next step involves filtering out the other types of deleted data you might not be interested in. To do so, look for the drop-down menu labeled Deleted List. This menu will allow you to filter the items by their module origin. Click on this drop-down menu and select Tickets. This filter will ensure that you only see the tickets that have been deleted, excluding any other non-relevant data. It's a quick way to focus your attention solely on the tickets that have been removed, making your retrieval process more efficient. Once you have set the filter to tickets, you will now be able to view the list of deleted tickets. This list provides all the tickets that have been deleted within the last 60 days. It's important to note that Zoho Desk only retains deleted tickets for a limited period, specifically 60 days from the deletion date. Hence, if you're looking to recover a deleted ticket, it is crucial to act within this time frame to ensure you can restore the data you need. Remember, you can also optimize the use of this feature by periodically checking your Recycle Bin for any deletions you are unaware of, thereby acting proactively to restore any critical information before it becomes irretrievable. This simple yet effective process enables you to ensure that nothing important remains lost in the digital shuffle. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your way through Zoho Desk's features.